This is Tasmania, Australia's hidden paradise. They call it the edge of the world, a place where time moves slower, air feels cleaner, and every horizon looks painted by hand. This is Tasmania, a hidden island below Australia, wild, ancient, and almost untouched. You think you've seen nature? Wait till you see this. Tasmania is where landscapes defy logic. In Cradle Mountain Lake, St Clair National Park, mountains reflect perfectly on still water, like the earth is holding its breath. Then there's Wineglass Bay, where turquoise waves curve around white sand like a hidden paradise sculpted by nature itself. And Bay of Fires, glowing orange boulders meeting the sea in colours you've never seen before. Drive along Bruny Island, and the cliffs rise so high you feel small, beautifully small. Here, nature isn't a backdrop, it's alive. But Tasmania isn't just wild, it's soulful. In Hobart, mornings start with coffee by the waterfront and end with sunsets over Mount Wellington. The Salamanca market hums with music, food, and local art, a heartbeat that never fades. Step inside Mona and you'll question everything you know about art. It's strange, bold, and unforgettable. And in Richmond, cobblestone bridges whisper stories from 2 centuries ago. Tasmania blends the old and the new, and somehow it all feels perfectly timeless. Now, let's wander beyond the map to Tasmania's hidden corners. Maria Island, where wombats roam freely and ruins sleep under the stars. The Tarkine Rainforest, one of the oldest on Earth, a living museum of green silence. Sail down the Gordon River, where the water mirrors the sky so perfectly you can't tell where one ends and the other begins. And when the sun sets over the Bridestow Lavender Estate, the fields turn violet gold, and you realize you're standing inside a dream. These are not tourist spots, they're moments, ones you'll carry for life. Tasmania doesn't ask to be seen. It waits quietly for those who are willing to look deeper. This isn't just a place, it's a feeling of freedom, of discovery, of being completely alive. This is Tasmania, Australia's hidden paradise at the edge of the world. If you like this Tasmanian tour, then don't forget to like it and subscribe the channel. That encourages us to explore more beautiful places to visit just for you.